Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to try to catch some fish today. It's like 80 degrees. Huh?
I ain't having no luck.
Me neither. I'm just taking my bait.
Well, good for you, Mom. Good for you.
There's a bug in my ear.
I ate one in my face a little bit ago.
You see?
Why?
That's what I'm saying. There's something wrong with it.
Wasn't this the one that I dropped in there? Oh, I had some. Something nibbled at it. Well, that's a bit better. How come you're getting nibbled? Mark, you have the money left. Buy me a new fishing rod. Doesn't Tap have one? Oh, there's something.
I don't know if that's that one or not.
We won't unlock the shed door.
Should there one?
No, the wooden one.
It's unlocked.
You,
I've been working with her for over.
you didn't tell me this before we left. Why? Another amazing kid. Don't go to the culvert. There's nothing over there. I'm gonna go with her. If she gonna step on a snake. If you do, start stopping. You like to stop. Then I can say, there's a snake in my bed. What's up? That one? Now watch it. That's what happens when steps on a snapper. Yeah, look, no, there's a flag on it. Oh. How come I always get the shitty rod? Seriously. I'm going back over to the camera. Holler at me if you see a snake. Well, there's still fish in there. Not on this end. Oh, you lucky. What'd you catch? Hey! Cast it so you can catch that catfish.
No, my line ain't heavy enough.
Mine is. You put it on here?
Oh, you're not putting it on there.
Man, you're no fun. That's why I like fishing with Pat. Eating food. You know?
Not bad.
Can I steal your rod?
It's not too bad.
Can I steal your rod?
No, you're not steal my rod.
Can you see if I...
Not bad.
Hold on.
What? No, I gotta get my glove on.
Here, I got it. The only way you can get to stop moving.
Yeah, but
I got it. Just gotta get it twisted. Not a bad catch. How heavy?
I'm pleased about this one.
Yes, he will. Mark, can you help me?
He ate my bait. Help me with what?
Unspool this, see why it won't
Nope.
catch. Hold on, I'm gonna go see if there's anything in my tackle box. Mom, where's my tackle
I
box?
told you I took him home. Grandma needed it.
And she couldn't use the broken one?
Not too bad. Not too bad.
Hey, Mom, can you take the bait off that one?
I'm already over my spot.
Alright. Hold on, let me see if this one will cast. From my blue.
Before I go home, now,
Oh, God, I found one that works.
I know before we go home, I gotta pick
Ma,
up all these sticks.
I'm water skipping.
I gotta pick up all these sticks.
I
Put
found one
Pat's
that
fishing
works.
pole up.
Huh?
Put Pat's fishing pole up.
I gotta get the bait off of it. Question is, where is it? You want this itty bitty piece of bait?
Nope.
Alright, I'm gonna throw it in the pond. I found one that works. Let's hope I don't drop it in the water. I'd be pissed because I'm not going in head first again. I'm not going in head first again to get it. It's bait. Where's the end of my fishing net?
Oh, yeah, my bait.
Haha. I'm taking the big
Before
one.
we go home, now I gotta pick up these sticks so I can come back and mow tomorrow.
I'm stealing the big one.
Because I got a battery from my tractor.
Oh,
I took the battery. I took the battery off my solar panel.
Here, steal the rest off this.
Just put it in there.
So remember when I hooked you on the back of the leg and Cap started laughing?
Yeah, I kind of heard.
Well, it was funny to Pap.
It was funny to have you.
Here, let's see if I can catch some. Ma, you hear me, my Pepsi?
No.
Why'd I have to put it on the other side of the four-wheeler? Eh.
Did you a ding dong?
My bobber wasn't bobbing, was it? God dang it. Oh my god. Oh. What the?
Reggie stole my bait.
Bet you my bait's gone. No, it's not. Since you said you got a bite, I'm running down to you. You got one, now it's my turn. Why did I? Yeah, press this thing through your finger. game off. Actually, never mind. Instead of a fishing rod, can you get me a TV if you have the money left? Out of my face. Don't tell me you. Okay, I was about to say. Alright, bye guys. I'm going down to see if I can catch that catfish. But Mom, you do realize if I catch the catfish and toss it, you're gonna have to catch it, right? And if I catch it,
No, because the net's is down.
no, we can use that top net. Remember?
You can't pick a catfish with the net.
You'd be surprised. I just moved and I lost my fishing bait. It ain't my bait. I'll move to this. Why you need to buy a package? Thank you. See, I had bait before I moved. I moved my thing and now I don't have bait. Oh, remember when I broke half the fishing rod? What? And I do admit that one was my fault. That was my fault. When I broke Pat's rod. Because I picked it up like this with the bass on it and it snapped.
I got a big little whopper, guys.
Whopper, whopper, whopper.
A leaf.
Whopper. Give me a double, triple whopper.
Ate it.
Jesus, look. I'm gonna see if there's a hook in here that ain't cut.
I ain't got no tools to put a new one on.
There's a shovel in here.
Can't use that one on.
You'd be surprised, huh? You'd be surprised. Wonder where I could catch with that net. Don't forget to get your things before we go home.
Okay.
Your bait box.
Bait box. Oh. Yeah, I forgot my bait box was in there.
Yeah, ma.
Yeah, I know it.
Yeah, ma. Back way on the way back?
Nope.
Alright. Alright, watch out.
Back was even worse than the few.
See if I can catch something. Get out of my
Being attention on this one, I'm gonna walk over there with the camera and see if I can find another area.
That was kind of cool.
That was cool. We weren't even looking. Any other time, we'd be looking and couldn't find one.
Ma, do I have bait on the looks of it? Yeah. See if I can catch anything right here. Remember when all we had to do a couple of years ago was just lean it over and we'd get them? They all die off or something? Oh.
Nice.
Gotcha.
Nice.
Oh, he's a heavy one. He's gonna break my rod. He's spinning my rod.
Not too bad.
I'm gonna dab him so he don't drown while
He's too heavy now.
It's the fun that counts. Uh-oh. Let's see how far he thinks he can go.
I ate my bait.
Oh, there's a bass. Oh yeah, there's a bass. Mom might use him for bait as bass. There's a bass there. Ooh, where did he go for a sec?
No, he's gonna break the rod.
As long as he don't pull the piece out. Alright, it's time to take it off.
That's how my pink one got broke.
That is your pink one.
Nope.
Oh, this one's Prego.
This one's purple. I had a pink one.
Boy, don't you start that, or I will fling you in there. All right, Ma. Gloves. Actually,
Pick it up.
I'll just hold it down. And then every time I pick up a bluegill, I get.
You ain't paying attention how you pick it up.
Right? Every time I pick one of them up, he hits me with the fins. They're not the fins, though. Ma, what are those things on their backs?
I call them pointers.
Yeah.
I don't know what the frick they're called, but I call them pointers.
Ma!
What?
Watch your mouth!
I said freaking.
No, you said the F word.
No, I didn't. I said freaking. I don't cuss like I used to.
I could have sworn you said the F word.
Nope. Freaking.
I thought you said.
Nope. I don't cuss like I
Okay.
used to.
Okay, whatever. Oh! No. See if I can catch it again. I'm out.
Oh.
Hopefully I don't lose my bait.
Hopefully you don't get tangled up in them lilies.
Hey, Mom.
What?
If they pull the end of my rod out, I'm going in.
No, you're not.
Where was it? Get over here, boy. Yeah, I'm out. There's geese flying bad down there. Watch out, casting.
My net in there?
Yeah? Toss net.
Remember the last time I had issues with this stupid thing?
Want me to help you?
No.
I will go down yonder and do it. I can help you cast it. Not how it goes.
I know.
Here, let me help you. Oh, remember when we thought we found a snake in that?
That was funny. Steph laughed about it.
Which fine. There's something. Oh, remember when I hooked a clam twice? Remember the clams that I hooked with the fishing pole? That was cool. That was actually cool. I think that's the first time he's ever seen that.
Excuse me.
Alright, well, you ready?
Not really.
Not ready. 3, 2, 1.
That didn't work either.
Let me try throwing. Must not be very deep.
Don't.
I'd laugh if I got to open up perfectly. Here, in case that metal piece snaps. It snapped before.